Welcome back, dear students. So here we are with our last session of preparing the income and expenditure account. And in this session, I'm going to teach you two solid problems. And I assure those who are able to do these problems perfectly, I'm telling you any kind of income and expenditure problem you will be able to do. So once we complete the session, my humble request to you all is please revise the problems again and again. So here is the first problem for you all, and the question says you are supposed to prepare the income and expenditure account for Kamareddy Club and the year is 31st March 2020. If you see at the question, you are able to see the different items. First is balance brought down, then subscription, tournament fund, legacy, entrance fee, donation for ground, and sale of grass. Salaries, then ground moving machine, rent, general expense, tournament expense, office expense, purchase of sports material, and balance carried down. And in the additional information, we see that they gave subscription received included rupees 2,200 of which year? Previous year. Previous year. Please keep in mind, last year. Then second adjustment, they say subscription outstanding rupees 1,000. Nothing is said, so it is current year. Then depreciation of 300. It is not 2,300, it is 300. That is rupee symbol. 300 for moving machine. And then they gave sports material. Opening balance 4,000. Closing balance 7,500. Now let us start the solution. So as it is, we are going to do the solution. Heading will be income and expenditure account of, what is the name of the organization? Kamareddy Cricket Club. Kamareddy Cricket Club. We wrote the heading. Then for year ending 31st March 2020. Then heading is ready. Now we'll give the format. So as it is, the formatting, half page, amount column, inner column, amount column, inner column. This is once again debit side, expenditure, credit side, income, amount. Now we'll start the posting. If you see, the first item is balance, we have to ignore. Then subscription. So as it is, by subscription. And how many adjustments are there? There are two adjustments. So we'll keep in inner column. Amount is 27,000. Till yesterday I taught you not to give the adjustment. Today I am giving the adjustment then and there. Second technique. Whichever you are feeling comfortable, you can do. So subscription. Relating to which year? Previous year. So we'll minus. So go and write minus subscription of last year. Like that we'll give simultaneously adjustment also today. Amount is 2,200. So we'll subtract 2,200. 0, 0, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. I kept in inner column. Why I kept? Because there is one more adjustment and that is outstanding. So add outstanding of current year. CY means current year. How much is outstanding of current year? 1,000. So answer is 25,800. Like this also you can do. Then tournament fund. What is tournament fund? It is a liability. So we cannot record tournament fund. Legacy is a capital receipt, that also will not be recorded. Entrance fee, nothing is given about entrance fee. So I told you our opinion. We'll take it as income. So we'll write as income by entrance fees. Entrance fee 1,000. Just write 1,000. Then donation for ground. Again, specifically they told it is for ground, so it won't come as income. Sale of grass, income. It's not furniture, it is grass. Newspaper, grass, all are income. Sale of grass, amount is 800. All the receipts are over. Coming towards payment. First payment, salaries. So 2 salaries. Any adjustment? No. So amount 8,000. Second, they gave ground moving machine, and for that they gave depreciation. How much depreciation they told? 300. So alone depreciation we are going to write. So to depreciation on ground machine 300. Depreciation on ground machine 300. Then they gave general expense. So as it is, to general expense. How much is general expense amount? They gave 14,000. So general expense 14,000. Followed by tournament expense. Point to be noted, sir. Tournament fund is given, tournament expense is given. So we cannot take tournament expense as expenditure. I am repeating, since tournament fund is given, tournament expense cannot be taken as expense. Directly we'll reduce it in the balance sheet. Then office expense. To office expense. Office expense they gave 9,000. Then sports material. Okay, no doubt sports material is an asset, but they gave opening and closing. Whenever they give opening and closing, we'll take as expenditure inner column. So here I'll write to sports material. How much is the sports material? 6,000. Now adjustment. What is the adjustment? Opening. What I thought about opening? I told we'll add opening. So add opening balance of sports material. How much is the opening balance of sports material given? 4,000. So if I add 4,000, total is 10,000. From that I'll minus closing balance of sports material. How much is the closing balance given? 7,500. So 10,000 minus 7,500 gives 2,500. This 2,500 is nothing but this is the value of sports material which we have used. Okay, this is the value of sports material what we have used. Like that, all the adjustments are done, all the postings are done. Now, closing the account. As usual again, working notes. Income 25,800, 1,000 and 800. 0, 0, 8, 8, 16, 7, 27,600. Expenditure 8,300, 14,000, 9,000, 2,500. 0, 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 11, 4, 15, 15 plus 8, 23, 33. If you see here, expenditure is more, income is less. In the last class, when I thought income was more, expenditure was less. So here, expenditure is more. So expenditure 33,800 minus income 27,600. 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 3 means borrowed. 13 minus 7, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. And this is called deficit. This is called deficit. And where the deficit will be posted? Credit side. So by deficit 6,200, and then close the account. Close the account with high total 33,800. 33,800. You all can see the solution, how it is drafted. Question is there, solution is there. Whenever you have the leisure time, you can again revise it. Now, coming towards the next problem, the last problem of the session, that is the chapter. I have done 2 problems of receipts and payments account. 2 problems I have done for receipts and payments account, and 4 problems I am covering for income and expenditure account. So focus on them. Now I am going for the next problem. Question for you all, dear. And what is the question? The question is about the sports club of Karimnagar. Okay, just go through the question for a while and then we are going to solve the question. This is also a very interesting solution, that is question. If you look at the question, you can make out that adjustment. First adjustment, they said capitalize 50% of donation, legacy, entrance fee, life membership fee. What do you mean by capitalize? Capitalize in the sense, some part of the donation, some part of the legacy, some part of entrance fee and life membership fee, they want to show as income, and some part they want to show as a capital fund. So we'll mark adjustment. Then subscription still outstanding. We'll mark on subscription, you all know. Then depreciate sports material and furniture. Directly they gave depreciation. 10%, 5%, what they said, we'll do accordingly. Now the solution. Let us see the solution. Solution number, and what is the name? Sports Club Karimnagar. So income and expenditure account of Sports Club Karimnagar. Income and expenditure of Sports Club Karimnagar. They haven't given any year and all, so no need to worry. Then format. Format. Again, format, expenditure, amount, inner column. Income, inner column. Quite an interesting problem. Expenditure, amount, income, amount. Now the posting starts. First, subscription. So income. By subscription, amount is 15,000, which I took in inner column. Adjustment says 5,000 is still outstanding. So add outstanding 5,000. If you add 5,000, total became 20,000. Second item is legacy. Adjustment is, donation. So I am taking income by donations. How much amount they gave? 50,000 they gave. And in this, the question said that 50% is capitalized. So I'll minus 50% capitalized. Write clearly. 50% is 25,000. So remaining 25 is income. Then they gave legacy. Same again. By legacies, amount given is 10,000. 10,000. And 50% they told capitalize. So again minus 50% capitalized 5,000. Again, balance is 5,000. Then what they gave? Entrance fee. So again, by entrance fees, 5,000 they gave. Again, capitalized they told. So minus 50% capitalized. So amount is 2,500. 2,500. After entrance fee, they gave us life membership fee. So by life membership fees, amount is 3,000. 3,000. So if I capitalize 50% minus 50% capitalized 1,500. Answer is again 1,500. Then sports income. So sports income. By sport income. How much is sports income given? 17,000. Then what is given? Sundries means some other income. So by sundries. Sundries means other income. 5,000 they gave. And then they gave what's a sale of newspaper. Old newspapers we might have sold, which is an income. By sale of old newspapers, 500. Like that, we did all the incomes. Now, asset, payment side. Land. Land is an asset. Building. Building is an asset. Furniture. No doubt asset, but they told depreciation. So, we'll calculate depreciation. You know how to calculate depreciation. So, depreciation on furniture is equal to, what is the value of furniture? 10,000 into 10%. Cancelling the zeros, 1,000. So, 2 depreciation on furniture amounts 1,000. Then sports material. Again they told depreciation. So depreciation on sport material. What was the value of sports material? 11,500. 10%. 0, 0, 0 cancelled. 1,150 rupees. So again, 2 depreciation on sports material, 1,150. Then they gave sports expenditure. So 2 sport expenditure, 6,000. Then they gave which expenditure? General expense. So 2 general expense. General expense is 2,000. Then they gave magazines. Magazines are nothing but like periodicals we call. If they give books, books are assets. Magazines, periodicals, newspapers are expenditure. 2,000. Then balance carried down will not come. So as we have done all the postings, now calculation part. We have to do calculation part, and that calculation part you know how to do. So the calculation part I am doing this side because there is no place over. So income side 20,000, 25,000, 5,000, 2,500, 1,500, then 17,000, then 5,500. We'll add 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 5, carried 1, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, plus 10, 26. 2, 4, 6 plus 1, 7. 76,500. Then expenditure. Let us see expenditure. 1000, 1150, 6000, 2000 and 2000. 0, 5, 1, 10, 11, 12. So income is more, expenditure is less. So again we'll do income minus expenditure. So income 76,500 minus expenditure 12,150. 0, 5, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 1, 6. 64,250 is again surplus. So 2 surplus 64,350 over. Close. Balance total is 76,500. 76,500. This is the solution. Just you all can have a glance over it, how the solution is done. Once again, keep in mind, whenever you are supposed to solve the problem, it's always advisable to start from the receipt side. Always start from receipt side, pick up all the revenue receipts, post them as income. Then take up all the revenue payments, post them as expenditure. Wherever adjustments are there, I have shown you two methods of giving adjustments. Either you give the adjustments parallelly, simultaneously, or you can keep the adjust item in the inner column and afterwards you can give the adjustment. That all depends on your feasibility. Like that we have seen the two questions. Now, in your textbook, you have many questions. That about 15 to 16 questions are there. In that already I have done 6 questions for you, dear. Similar pattern questions are there. You can take up those questions and solve. Because this is going to give you 10 marks compulsory. So, what are the important things which we can expect from this chapter? One, you can expect 5 marks I am talking, differences between receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account. Along with that, you can also think you will get the question on what are the features of receipts and payments account, or they may ask you explain what are the features of income and expenditure account. Or the next question what we can expect is explain different types of donations. Then I taught you in the first class meaning of donation and 2 types of donations that you can write. In 2 marks, they will ask you to write about legacy. They'll ask you to write about legacy, or they may ask you to write about subscription, endowment fund. These are the frequently asked questions. Along with that, they will ask you what is capital expenditure, what is revenue expenditure, capital receipt, capital payment. Again, every one of you can look into those slides and those answers you can write. And questions already I told you. This is what is the non-trading concern chapter. The entire non-trading concern chapter I have presented before you. Revise it perfectly. Here comes giving you the thanks. Okay. Very beautifully Abdul Kalam said, don't take rest after your first victory. Means what? Intermediate second year is your first victory now. Okay, 10th class, of course, that was different issue. But now, your second, that is your first victory. We can say the first starting point of your life starts here. And he said, if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just a luck. Very clearly told. Okay, I told you, never trust on 10th class. SSC we all know. But now, your first victory will start. So, focus on studies and whatever is done in the class, focus on that and do it up.